Ever wondered if a simple capsule could really sharpen your memory, boost your focus, and even protect your brain from serious conditions like Alzheimer's and dementia? Or if it's just another internet miracle wrapped in flashy marketing? MemoPryl is being aggressively promoted as a breakthrough brain enhancement supplement, often shown in ads with dramatic storytelling, secret recipe claims, and emotional promises designed to target people worried about cognitive decline. The marketing suggests it's some kind of hidden formula combining natural ingredients like a coffee and honey style blend, positioned as if ancient wisdom has been unlocked for modern brain health. But once you strip away the advertising language, the reality becomes more questionable. The product is presented with bold claims like clinically proven memory improvement, doctor endorsements, and even FDA approval suggestions. Yet there is no solid independent clinical evidence showing MemoPryl itself has been tested or proven to deliver these results. A deeper look into the promotional content reveals multiple red flags, including AI-generated advertisements, stock-looking doctors, and testimonials that appear overly scripted or repeated across different platforms. On top of that, the sales structure often pushes aggressive upsells, limited-time discounts, and subscription-based orders that can trap users into recurring charges without clear long-term value. Another concerning pattern is that similar products appear under different names, suggesting simple rebranding rather than a truly unique formula. User feedback across various forums also leans toward disappointment, with many reporting no noticeable improvement even after consistent use. When all of these factors are combined, MemoPryl sits in a gray zone where the marketing is strong but the real-world evidence is weak, leaving potential buyers to rely more on advertising emotion than verified science. Ultimately, it raises a simple but important question about whether the promises being made are truly backed by results, or just carefully designed sales storytelling.